Alright guys, we have a ton of items to unbox right here. You guys can see everything's on the table. We got to get it unboxed and we got to get it packaged up to ship out. We actually have some light here in the building. Shout out to that one light up there. It's over 100 degrees in here though, so let's not mess around, okay? Let's get this stuff unboxed. Let's talk about it. Let's get it packaged back up so I can get out of here, because it's insanely hot even though it is 11:30 at night. So let's get to it. Alright, let's see what we got in here. First package we have is from Home Depot. I don't remember what we ordered from Home Depot, so this should be an interesting one. Okay, I do remember ordering this from Home Depot. I'm not sure what these things are. These are like little transmitters or something like that. I think we ordered like 8 or 10 of these. I think this is gonna be an FBA play. I'm gonna send these off and see what they can do FBA wise. I don't have any stats up on screen because if you guys want to see that stuff, you'll have to be in juice. So you guys can try the app down below completely free, and you guys will get to see what I am posting in there, because everything that I'm unboxing here is posted on the app. So be sure to sign up, check out the app, 14-day free trial. Get to it. Okay. Alright, one more thing that's going off to FBA that I'm not going to take out of the package. These are Crocs ketchup giblets, however you say it. There's like 13 of them in here already packaged up, ready to send off to FBA. Alright, let's start seeing what is in the box on these Walmart packages. Some of these I think are yarn. We had a big order for yarn come in this past week. I think someone ordered like $170 worth of yarn, so I had to get all of that from Walmart. This is yarn. This is one of them. We should have several more in here, so let's unpackage the rest of this yarn. We have one more Walmart package. This one's kind of heavy. I'm not sure what is in this one. It feels like some type of liquid. If I had to guess, maybe it is, yep. It's more of our salad dressing. How could we forget? I think we have more orders of those somewhere, so that's good. Next, let's move on to some Lowe's packages. You guys probably already know what's in these Lowe's packages. If I had to guess, it's probably Mean Green, because we've been ordering a ton of it, selling a ton of it. So let's check out and see if that's what it is. It is an entire package of Mean Green. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh my gosh, that's heavy. That I just haven't opened yet. But I already know what it is. If you guys were here, you would know what it is just by the smell. It's more scent boosters. We got more scent boosters in, which is good because someone did order some. So we needed some more scent boosters. I think I ordered 6 of these maybe. One more package that we have to talk about. This big box right here is filled with Crocs. I think this may be an FBA play, I'm not sure. Alright guys, we finally have everything packaged. Well, we don't have anything packaged yet, but we've got everything put on the table that we sold that we need to ship out tomorrow. You guys want to take a look? Boom. There is pretty much everything on the table. You guys can see here, we've got our dressing, we've got a couple Under Armour sports bras, some scent booster, an Adidas polo, some Adidas socks, 6 things of laundry detergent. We're actually moving some of these now, which is great. We've got like 4 or 5 left in inventory, so that's pretty good. We moved literally every Mean Green that we had, and I think we're still short 2 maybe. So yeah, we still need a few more Mean Green, but we always need it, so that's good. With those white plastic things, those are moved too. And then randomly we sold 1 Grinch Christmas figure, so that is sold. Now comes the fun part of packing everything up. So I'm gonna get all this packed up. I'll check back in with you guys when I have it all ready to go. Oh my goodness, guys. I am dripping sweat. I don't know if you can see it on my arms or on my legs, but I am insanely sweaty. I'm insanely tired. We have all the packages packaged up. You guys can see here some on the table, and then all of these in this cart, and then all of our first class packages are down there on the ground. Over 25 packages going out tomorrow. I'm glad we were able to get them all boxed up tonight, and we're doing pretty good right now on our sales for the week. Pretty good, another good day. A lot of laundry detergent moved, which is great. We still have about 5 or 6 left in stock. We had another box of Mean Green that I didn't know about, so that's awesome. We still have some more inventory over there. Honestly, right now, our biggest thing, we're waiting on some yarn to come in so we can fulfill that big yarn order. And then also we have our FBA items. We have some Crocs up here, and then we have some other FBA items over there, those white plastic things, and then those transmitters or whatever that we got from Home Depot as well. So we've got some inventory here. We're in a good spot right now. This is honestly the best we've been in a while in terms of inventory and financials and everything like that. So things are moving good right now. Things are in the positive direction right now. We still need to organize this, as I've mentioned in previous videos, and we'll get to it. Be sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel. Be sure that you like this video. The support means so much to me, guys. Thank you so much. Be sure to sign up for the Juiced app 14-day free trial down below. Become a user. Start experiencing what this app is all about and how it makes your reselling 1,000 times easier. Take it from me, all of this would have been much harder without the Juiced app. Unfortunately, it can't do anything about sweating in a hot building. But I look forward to seeing you guys there. Be sure to take full advantage of it. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks so much, guys. It's Soul Stay from Juiced, signing out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, everybody.